And this is Papa Loves. Woo-ha!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
And this. Papa Loves.
Papa Loves.
What? Ayun o. Tonyo nagtatago. Namakla ka na naman, Tonyo. Right? Thank you guys. Happy birthday, Mama Loves. Happy birthday. Thank you. Ano? Gusto mo masaktan? Try mo? Mamaya. Hintay mo lang. Today is your birthday.
Share your wish. Good health, syempre. Papa, hindi na success, more blessings. More money. More money. And maybe part.
More friends.
And Papa's always good boy. You too.
Happy birthday.
23 ate.
Happy birthday. Oh, cut mo naman, cut mo.
Sana pa.
Ito. Bigyan mo yung stop.
Dito ka Mon.
Mon, dito ka Mon.
Mon, di pala pangalan nun.
Isa lang dyan.
Yee! Ito na sa akin. Eh, wala pa kang bait ni Papa.
Changes?
I'm going to change.
Si Osborne. Kaya subuhan mo lang bro.
Alin? Ha?
Yeah.
Bigyan mo to. Lagyan mo to.
Papasubo kay Chenny. Ako diyan.
Sa top. Ganyan ka pala, oh.
Yay! Lagi ka na lang. Tulala.
Huha!
Pumapantakan yung luha.
Huha!
Nag-tip kami na. Dalawa lang kayo. Oh, nag-tip din.
Ayan.
Sandali, hindi ko alam din eh.
Ay, cake niya.
Hindi namin alam.
Ayun po yung kapatid.
Ito siya.
Teka, dadagdagan pa daw.
Ito. Black coffee ako. Ginger po.
Ginger akin.
Aba, kakanta ka bukas ah. Ere.
Thank you. Ay, subscribe, Mama Loves ni Papa Loves.
Ere. Ano yan? Yan ang problema. Send din namin po alam, ma'am. Ma'am, patulong po niyan. Ito lang yung pangalan. Black coffee.
Mocha frappe. Parang sa'yo.
Okay.
Ere po black coffee din. Ma'am, salamat po din.
Dragon coffee, ano yun?
Ito, hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Ere.
Ice latte.
Ice latte.
Iyot.
Ayot.
Abang patibay ng...
This one, black coffee. Kaninong black
Ano yung black coffee? Papa.
Hindi.
Papa, naman mo ko.
May in-order ba kayong black coffee?
Sige na, okay na. Sa'yo yan. Cappuccino.
Oh, sige, akin yan. Ito na sa inyo. Akin yan. Kain na to.
Ay, sobra yata.
Sobra.
Ganun ba?
Oh, baka may gusto pa nito.
Si Jun may Moresa niya yung in-order niya.
Ano order mo, Jun?
Rebisco.
Rebisco, di ba?
Biset.
Ito, kayo.
Ito nga sa amin.
Klase talaga ng dalawa, isa ang
Picture. 1, 2.
Dapat may isang katsoko, di ba?
Hati kami dyan.
1, 2. Kenny. Alright.
Uy, di ba ang sabi mo, tsoko?
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.